In this video, I will try to explain what is the difference between spirituality and religious or religion. Prior to this, I want to take one example of the software industry. So there are different kind of requirements and challenges. Just might be those are not related to software, they will not be able to understand. But yeah, you watch this till in. I will also take the example for the common person. So suppose in software industry there is challenge of the interoperability. Suppose different some software is developed in some portion of functionality is developed by the uh, Java, some is developed by the .NET. Suppose just I'm taking the particular example. Suppose in core banking system is developed in Java, their loan management is developed into the .NET, their accounting is developed in some third language. So either core banking or loan management, everywhere accounting is required. So how each other is interacted, this interaction will possible. This is called interoperability. So the different challenges are there. Interoperability, some is challenges of the reusability, then challenges was scalability, then how easily we can deploy another thing. So to address the reusability, another thing there is called another architecture came into the service oriented architecture. And how to achieve the service oriented architecture further drill down, then it came to the service component architecture. Then somebody only start focusing about there was a challenge when you are deploying a big piece you are deploying, then there was a challenge of scalability. When if you want to modify the small portion, then you have to do the entire build. Another thing to focus this, there was another methodology or framework came that is called microservices. Same way, there is a another methodology, especially suppose that you want to development related methodology like waterfall, how to develop the software, and then came to the agile. So because of the there are different challenges was there, to address those challenges some methodology or some best practices or solution was given, then those solution was formed into the given into the one bundle, a logical grouping, and that grouping has given some particular name like service oriented architecture, uh, microservices, or different other architectures. Same way, a delivery methodology like waterfall or agile. Now, what did happen? After that, this framework and methodology just set off solutions to address a particular challenges or requirement. Now people start focusing, then training business came, all other things came, then people are more focusing about the framework or methodology. Then they start thinking here, this was the problem, you are just making the set of the solution. So here because of this problem the solution came. Now so this framework has given some name and this becomes strong. Now everything you start thinking about this thing, all problem in perspective of this, either this is able to address or not, it doesn't make. Somehow they are trying to enrich and all these things, but this came, set up the best solution came due to some problem. Now problem is not important, everywhere they are trying to fit this to solve the every problems. Same thing happened with religion. There was a set of the problems, some guru came, they gave the sum of this solution, then their follower give the name, like this has become Hindu, this is Islam, this is the Christian. Now they start thinking about their religion, way of living life, instead of thinking about like what kind of problem this actually capable to solve. Few problems is in over the period of time, few problems is not relevant, but still it is forcing. Always a best practices, think about your problem, whatever the best solution is available, bundled, either in a scrum, few portion, depending upon nature, waterfall is sufficient. In few cases, Your agile is sufficient, and few cases is hybrid is sufficient. So focus about your problems and requirement, then what's possible best practices is there. Then you can do better. So when you are not focusing about the particular framework, only focusing about your requirement and what best solution is available in any framework, you can correlate this is spirituality or spiritual. And when you are particular focusing a particular framework and supporter and becoming fanatical, then you are a religious. When I used to say I am spiritual, means I am open-minded. Any problem is there, any best solution is available anywhere, I am ready to accept. But religious people, no. They will say, oh, no, Agile says this thing, Scrum says this thing, you are diverting this thing. Because then, like priest, Agile coach will come, Scrum master will come, and then, because their business, their value, their job is secure when they are tied up with this. Same thing religious priests also used to do. Religion came to solve the problem. But later on, it became a burden. Because to address those problems and requirement, the sum of the best practices has given might be either some problem was not over the period is not a problem or something is different, but still what we have said, based upon that, we are trying to solve every problem. Like human mind is changed, lifestyle is changed, social things are changed, but still we are trying to what this framework or methodology is doing, rather than what is our challenges, what best practices are available. So always I used to say, become spiritual, not a religious. Because if you are a religious, it means your mind is blocked. You are not try to become an open thinker. And any education is not making any system as an open-minded thinker, then that is worthless. Same thing Gautam Buddha was try. He always used to say, what I am saying, don't listen. First, that's why he gave the way, a path, so that everyone can become open thinker, free thinker with open-minded. Because what Gautam Buddha has said or others say might be that is a relevant in particular set of the situation. And that might be over the period of time that become irrelevant. And still you are trying to focus, oh, Buddha has said. So he was the greatest, you can say one of the greatest social scientists, was aware about that. But unfortunately, we forget to him. So I hope the same problem IT industry is suffering and doing, same thing is society is doing. I hope you can easily understand what is the difference between the spiritual and religious, what challenges IT people are facing because of their methodology oriented design rather than problem or requirement oriented design. So you have to think about, always better think about your challenges, your requirement, your scenarios, and what solutions are best solutions are suitable. That is a good way, rather than first focus about the methodology or framework and then try to fit your problems and requirement in that. Hopefully I am able to explain properly. In case my English is not so good, in case I am not able to explain, you can comment and you can speak. So I try to speak in English. I supposed to be explaining much more better in Hindi, but from wider range of and for you can say so-called intelligent people, I just made in English, and later on I will try to make the same video in Hindi so that I can better explain the same. Thanks for watching my video till end.